Hey project fans, in this video I'm going to show you one of my favorite and possibly most simple life hacks. I've been using this since college and we use it on all of our house flips and in all of our commercial construction projects. I'm going to show you how to make a 4-foot by 8-foot dry erase board for under $20. Check this out. All right, this is what you're looking for right here. This is decorative panel board or thrifty white panel board. And if you're a little concerned when you come and look for it, just bring a dry erase marker with you and try it out. Just write on it right there like that and make sure that wipes right off. That does like that. And I will leave a link in the description so you guys can look this up. Alright guys, the only other thing that you need for this is the 6-pack of the 3M Command Velcro strips. These come in at $5.96 with the whiteboard, which is $13.74. This whole thing comes out to $19.70. Alright guys, now that we have all the materials, this is super simple. I'm sure I don't have to explain it to you, but all you have to do is take your Velcro Command strips and adhere them just like this to the back of the whiteboard. Then hang it on the wall. And you're done. All right guys, there you have it. There is a 4-foot by 8-foot dry erase board for under $20. Thank you guys for watching. If you've got any questions, hit us up in the comments section and check out some of our other videos playing right here.
All right, Christmas miracle happened here. This was said Christmas miracle half permits. The Grinch. The Grinch happened here.
Grinch.
That's a good one. We probably would have had Christmas miracle here, Grinch here, Christmas miracle here, Grinch there.